Good morning dear students. In this video I'll teach you the structure of relational databases. Relational databases organize data into a structured format based on the relational model where information is stored in tables that can be linked to one another. So in simple terms, when the database is organized as a table or the data of the databases are stored in a table-like format where informations are linked to one another. So it is a table-like structure where information is stored and information is linked to one another. This structure is managed using SQL or structured query language. Now the core components of relational databases are tables or relations. Tables or relations are the fundamental building blocks because this is the actual structure of relational database. Here each table represents a specific entity type like customers or orders or students. I will elaborate this using an example. Next is rows or tuples or records. Each row of the table represents a single unique instance of data within a table. Next is columns or attributes or fields. Columns of the table are also known as attributes or fields, and these define the specific data points stored for each record such as name, email, phone numbers, etc. Each column has a defined data type such as integer, string, date, etc. So the main three components of relational databases are tables or relations, rows or tuples or records, columns or attributes or fields. Now let's see an example, a simple example, and you will make it clear. This table, known as table 1 of students, stores basic profile information of a student. Each student has a unique student ID. So here the columns are student ID, first name, last name, DOB stands for date of birth, and email ID. So we have 5 columns. Columns in Dbms are also known as attributes or fields. So here we have 5 attributes: student ID, first name, last name, date of birth, and email ID. And each attribute are different. And now let's come to rows or tuples. Here we have 4 rows. Our first row stores the information of a student named James Wilson, his student ID 101, his date of birth 1st of February 98, and his email ID james@abc.in. Next we have the information of another student in our next row or second row or our next tuple. So here we have another student named Maya Patel, her date of birth 3/8/1999, her email ID maya@abc.in, and her student ID. Similarly, we have 4 rows or 4 tuples, and each row stores information of a student, and each student has a unique ID, unique student ID. So this is our table-like structure where we have stored the information. So this is an example of our Dbms. These columns are our fields or attributes, and these are our rows or tuples. Thank you.